Most people think engine noise is just sound. It's not. Every sound your engine makes, it's metal talking to metal. When lubrication is good, metal slides. When lubrication is weak, metal touches. And that sound you hear, that's friction. Friction creates heat. Heat creates wear, and wear creates noise. So, when an engine gets louder, it's not aging, it's struggling. Good engine oil doesn't make engine silent. It prevents unnecessary contact. Less contact, less heat, less noise. At AutoPal, we don't ignore sounds. We listen to them. Engine noise is information, not background music. Thanks for watching. This is DK. I'll see you guys tomorrow.